Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina from ursneaker. Today I'm going to do a comparison review for this Yeezy Boost 700 Hospital Blue colorway here. So on my left hand, this is our God version, which is exactly same as the retail ones. And on my right hand, this is the cheap fake. So now let's check what is the difference between these two versions together. Okay, so the first difference I wanna share with you is the color difference on the uppers here. So from my cameras here, you can see the first difference here. That is the materials color difference mesh here. For this gold version, it's much more like clean blue colorways here, right? Okay, but for this cheap versions, it's more like gray colorways. So which is wrong here? It should be this hospital blue colorways. So the first difference, that is the color difference for these mesh materials. Okay, clearly see their difference, right? And the second difference I wanna share with you is the shape of these materials on the vamp here. Check our gold version. You can see here the shape of it. It's in good shape, right? This V shape here. Yeah, and this part is a little tilt to the midsoles here. But for these cheap versions, it's look like too straight here, right? Okay, so this is the difference here. Check their difference. This is the second difference. And the third difference I wanna share with you is the markup piece. Yeah, these gold versions you can see here. This markup piece, yeah, it's in good shape here, right? But for this cheap versions, let's check it. These cheap versions you can see here, this markup piece, it's more like flat here. Yeah, it's not as shape as these gold versions. So check their difference here. Yeah, you can see here the shape of it. Right, this is the gold versions here. It's in good shape. But for this, it's too flat here. Okay, so this is the third difference. And the fourth difference I wanna share with you is the these perforations on this piece here. This is gold version. You can see these perforations in the TPU materials beneath it. You can check here. And the size of these perforations is like this. But for these cheap versions, let's check it. You can see here, these perforations, the hose is too small here, and you can hardly to see the TPU materials beneath it, right? See, this is the cheap versions, and this is the gold versions here. So you can see their difference, right? See, this is the cheap versions here, and this is the gold versions. Okay, so this is the fourth difference. And the fifth difference I wanna share with you is the back counters here. Okay, let's check it. So our gold versions, you can find that, yeah, the shape is like this. And these stitchings here, and this is the midsoles. You will find that the stitching and the midsole, it has a gap here. But for this cheap version, you can see this stitching and this midsoles. The stitching is too close to this midsoles. Yeah, it almost stitched down to the midsole, which is wrong here. But for our gold versions, it has a clear gap here, right? Okay, see the difference. And also the perforations here, it's clear, right? And the holes of this perforation is bigger than these cheap versions. See their difference. Okay, and also the shape of these collars here and this shape, yeah, this is the good shape here. Okay, check their difference. And the sixth difference I wanna share with you is the midsoles difference. You can check their got two pieces here. This is gold version, which is in silver colorways, and it's glossy, right? Okay, so this is gold version, and I'll check this cheap version. It's in silver colorway, right? But it's not as glossy as this gold version. Check their difference. Okay, and also another difference on the midsole, that is the dots on the midsole here. This is got version. You can see here got many dots on the midsoles here, right? You can see clearly see the dots here. But for this cheap version, you can see, yeah, you can hardly to see the dots for this cheap version. So this is another difference on the midsole. Okay, and now let's check the difference on the Sockliners here. Let's take it out to check the difference. Okay, so this is our God versions here. Yeah, it's using the Ortholite materials to make this here. This is God version Ortholite, and the back side is like this. And you'll find that the shape of this Sockliner, yeah, the edge of it, it's well molded, right? Okay, and now let's check this check the difference here. Okay, check here. This is the cheap versions here. Okay, so this is the God version, and this is the cheap version. God version, it's using the Ortholite materials to make it, and you can check the edge of it. Yeah, it's well molded, and the edge of it, it's really clean, right? But for this cheap version, the edge of it, it's not well molded. You can see here and here. Okay, so this is the difference on the Sockliner, and also the color is different as well. This is the God version. Yeah, it's more like the hospital blue colorways here. But for this fake version, it's more like silver colorways, right? And also the difference on the back side here. This is the Ortholite materials. Yeah, and it's well molded for every piece here. But for this cheap version, you can see here, yeah, it's not in good qualities, right? And check the side of it here. Yeah, for these cheap versions, you can see here the edge of this molded, it's clear for this part here, so which is in bad qualities. But for our God version, see, yeah, which is very clean. Okay, so this is the difference on the sock line. Okay, so last difference I wanna share with you is the descriptions of the labels on the box. So now let's check it together. Okay, so this is our God versions. Let's check it here. Yeah, it writes here, writes hospital blue colorways here, right? Yeah, and this is the Europe labels. Yeah, which is the correct colorways for this Yeezy 700. But for these cheap versions, let's check it. Here writes silver gray. Yeah, the description is wrong here. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so these are the total difference for these two versions of Yeezy Boost 700 Hospital Blue colorways here.